Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best Thermage is probably one of the most sought-after non-invasive skin tightening treatments available today, promising a significant reduction in wrinkles and a more contoured body shape without surgery or extensive downtime. But is it worth the hype and cost? In this video, we'll dive deep into the Thermage experience, exploring its benefits, drawbacks, and everything you need to know before making a decision. Number 5. NuDerma Clinical Wand. Experience the future of skincare with the NuDerma Clinical Wand. This innovative device uses advanced technology to rejuvenate your skin, revealing a more radiant and youthful complexion. It features 6 unique fusion applicators combining the power of neon and argon. These work synergistically to boost your skin's natural radiance and balance. See visible results after just one session. Maximize the benefits of your favorite serums and creams. It enhances your skin's ability to absorb these products, boosting their effectiveness by up to 5 times. With specialized applicators for various body parts, it provides a comprehensive skincare solution. Treat your face, neck, arms, belly, back, and even your scalp and hair. The NuDerma Clinical Wand comes with the device itself, 6 fusion applicators, and comprehensive guides to help you get started. It's proudly made in the USA. What we like? It features multiple applicators to target various areas. You'll see results immediately after the first session. If you want to maximize the effects of your expensive serums, this is the one for you. What people say. The combination of neon and argon therapy effectively targets blemishes and acne. Argon wands reduce inflammation and help clear active breakouts, while neon boosts circulation, leaving the skin glowing and healthy looking. Using the NuDerma wand before applying serums and creams made a noticeable difference in how well my skin absorbed them, amplifying their effectiveness. It is extremely easy to use. The device is lightweight, well-designed, and comes with clear instructions, making it suitable for both beginners and experienced users. Number 4. GLO 24K Beauty Device. Experience the GLO 24K, a revolutionary device designed to enhance your skin's natural beauty. It combines LED light therapy, thermal heat, and gentle vibrations for a rejuvenating experience. This innovative device uses 3 powerful technologies working together. LED light therapy stimulates collagen production, thermal heat improves circulation, and vibrations gently massage your skin. Designed for everyone, it's gentle enough for daily use on your face and neck. Always refer to the instruction booklet for best results. Your GLO 24K package includes the device itself, a USB charging cable, instructions, a cleaning cloth, and a protective cover. Please check all parts are present upon delivery. Simply cleanse your skin, turn it on, select your preferred mode, and gently massage it onto your face and neck in circular motions for 10 minutes, 3 to 4 times a week. While results may vary, you can expect to see improvements in fine lines and wrinkles within 4 to 6 weeks of regular use. For best results, use it consistently. It's small and lightweight, making it easy to use and store. A full charge provides multiple uses, ensuring convenience and efficiency. It's designed for long-term preventative care. With consistent use, it can help maintain a youthful and radiant complexion for years to come. What we like? This device uses 3 technologies for a comprehensive approach. It's suitable for all skin types and provides long-lasting results. If you are looking for a preventative and long-term solution, this is a great option. What people say. The unit is significantly wider than the popular Solowand, which may be easy to put in a travel pouch, but why not have a slightly larger unit to give you more treatment coverage per each upward stroke on your neck and face? I love how this feels. The unit gives warmth as well as slight vibration and of course the various select wavelengths of light. I can see the difference in my skin immediately when I use it. Everything feels and looks firmer. Number 3. NuFACE Mini Plus Kit. This is the NuFACE Mini Plus, your at-home solution for facial toning and sculpting. It uses clinically proven microcurrent technology for a non-invasive lift. It uses gentle electrical waves to stimulate facial muscles. This helps tone, lift, and tighten your skin for both immediate and long-term results. The kit includes our microcurrent activators to enhance the treatment. These help prepare your skin and deliver long-lasting hydration. With its compact design, it's perfect for on-the-go use. Enjoy quick 5-minute sessions to sculpt and firm your face and neck. In clinical studies, users saw significant improvements in sagging skin, jawline definition, and reduction of forehead lines. See the results for yourself. Download the free NuFACE Smart app for guided treatments, exclusive content, and to track your progress. It's like having a professional esthetician at your fingertips. Rest assured, it's an FDA-cleared device, rigorously tested for safety and efficacy. Our skincare products are also esthetician-created with clean ingredients. What we like? It uses clinically proven microcurrent technology. It's FDA-cleared, ensuring safety and effectiveness. If you need a device that's easy to use on the go, this is perfect for you. What people say. My nose feels firmer after I use it, so I know it affects more than just the muscles. I believe it does stimulate collagen production. This product does in fact work with consistent use. I can definitely see improvement. I have had cheek fillers before, and I honestly can tell you this gave me the same lift in 3 months as 1500 of Juvederm filler gave me. I had my filler 2 years ago, so it has definitely been processed and is out of my body by now. I used it for at least 5 minutes a day every day, focusing on my cheeks and crow's feet. Cheeks are definitely lifted, which is improving my nasolabial folds, and my crow's feet are gone. We are all led to believe that it takes time to see a difference when using a product. This is not the case with the NuFACE Mini. I was astonished that with one use I could see a difference. Day 2, even more of a difference in the improvement of the laxity in my lower nasal labial folds. My face looks so much more smooth and toned. Number 2. NuFACE Trinity. Experience the NuFACE Trinity, a clinically proven microcurrent device that tones, lifts, and tightens your skin. It's customizable for instant and long-term results, anytime, anywhere. Prepare your skin with our microcurrent activators. These conduct the microcurrent to your facial muscles for optimal results. The hydrating gel locks in moisture for up to 24 hours. Enjoy quick, 5-minute sessions with this sleek, portable device. It sculpts and firms your face and neck, improving contours and reducing wrinkles. See visible improvements in just weeks. Enhance your treatment with the red light therapy attachment. It uses a combination of red, amber, and infrared light to smooth fine lines and wrinkles for radiant skin. Rest assured, it's an FDA-cleared device, rigorously tested for safety and efficacy. Use the free NuFACE Smart app for guided tutorials and progress tracking. What we like? It combines microcurrent with red light therapy for enhanced results. It's FDA-cleared for safety and efficacy. If you want a powerful device with additional red light therapy, this is the one to choose. What people say. I use this daily and seeing results. I love this. Works really well at significantly smoothing out the skin and diminishing the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles, even those that seem deeply etched into the skin like the 11s between the eyebrows and forehead creases. I mean, it really works. I have noticed a difference in the overall texture of my skin as well as the appearance, and it has only been a week. Number 1. NEWA RF Wrinkle Reduction Device. Experience the power of radiofrequency technology with NEWA. It boosts collagen production and reduces wrinkles, leaving your skin looking firmer and more youthful. NEWA is backed by clinical studies showing significant improvements in wrinkle appearance, skin firmness, and collagen content. It's safe, effective, and trusted. It uses radiofrequency energy to penetrate the dermis, stimulating collagen and elastin production. This leads to reduced wrinkles and tighter, more elastic skin. Apply the gel, gently massage it onto your face with the device, and then wipe it off. It's that easy to achieve noticeable results. In clinical trials, users saw improvements in wrinkle appearance and skin firmness within just 4 to 12 weeks of regular use. Start your journey to younger-looking skin today. You'll receive the NEWA device, a convenient travel pouch, and a 1-month supply of activator gel, everything you need to get started. What we like? It uses radiofrequency to boost collagen production and reduce wrinkles. It's FDA cleared and clinically proven. If you're looking for a clinically proven method to boost collagen and reduce wrinkles, this is a great choice. What people say. My marionette lines on the side that I treated basically disappeared. The wrinkle on my neck disappeared after a week of use. My face muscles are tightened and skins are plumped. Been using this product for about 2 weeks. I'm in my mid-60s, so I do have a few wrinkles. I must say, I've been pleased with the product. I saw results the first time I used it. My skin is smoother and I do see some wrinkle reduction. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.